I'm Dr. Pilar Fair, and I knew about Dr. Reese a long time ago, but I never had the chance to do one of his courses. When I did the first one was the veneers, and I was very impressed because everything is easy, practical. Every single step, tricks that he gives you in the seminars, his name in the seminar, is something that you can implement in your office right away. And just what he said, Eric, the other dentist, is true. I'm very happy to just doing all the courses. Even I'm looking forward to just do one and do the next one, because when you do all together and you can apply every single thing in the office daily, in restorative, cosmetic, and everything is practical, easy. You don't have to buy extra equipment. Just the equipment that you have in the office is enough to start to implement it to your patient. And then now I feel more secure and even feel like even better service to my patients.